Nothing seems to be on a roll lately when it comes to expanding its smartphone portfolio. Hot on the heels of the Nothing CMF Phone 1 and just 4 months or so after the unveiling of the Nothing Phone 2A, Carl Pei's venture now has yet another new model. As its name suggests, the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is a souped-up version of the Nothing Phone 2A. The design is largely the same, though there are new metallic color finishes. The Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset has been swapped for a more powerful Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G chip, developed exclusively for Nothing by MediaTek. Apparently, it offers up to a 10% boost in CPU and 30% GPU performance, so that will be interesting to test. The new Nothing Phone 2A Plus also has an upgraded 50MP selfie capable of crisp 4K capture. Last but not least, charging has been further optimized, and the Nothing Phone 2A Plus now supports 50W charging, which promises to be nearly 10% faster than the regular Nothing Phone 2A. We do have to wonder why Nothing decided to come out with a slightly better version of their own mid-ranger of sorts in the current lineup, the way it is shaping up, and potentially risk cannibalizing the sales of the regular Nothing Phone 2A. Nothing CEO Carl Pei apparently doesn't see it that way. He says that the Nothing Phone 2A was so popular that it invited the opportunity to create a sequel of sorts. Plus, there is also the fact that the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to launch in 2025, and in the meantime, the company wants to offer enthusiasts a more powerful device to get excited about. That all sounds fine and dandy, but the Nothing Phone 2A Plus is a bit more expensive than its non-Plus sibling. It is not exactly a drop-in replacement price-wise. Thankfully, at least for now, Nothing does not plan to retire the vanilla Nothing Phone 2A, which is good to see. We can't exactly be mad about having more choices. Pros: unique, eye-catching design with a surprising amount of added functionality from the glyph interface. Decently bright OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit colors and HDR support. Chart-topping battery life and solid charging speed. Unique and cohesive software design and aesthetic with plenty of custom bits yet pretty much zero bloat. Great performance with zero thermal throttling. Solid all-around camera performance. Good video stabilization and dedicated night mode for video. Cons: no charger in the box. Incredibly hard to clean back surface that gathers both grime and dust like crazy. High refresh rate gaming is not properly supported. There is no eSIM support. Our verdict: like the Nothing Phone 2A, the Plus model is a solid overall package. All of the unique Nothing design and aesthetics are there. Compared to the Nothing Phone 2A, the uptick in performance isn't particularly huge and is not realistically noticeable in practice. The display, while not industry-leading, is slightly brighter. The upgraded 50MP selfie is appreciated, but it's only a slight improvement. We have to be honest here, we would be very confused if Nothing keeps selling the Nothing Phone 2A and 2A Plus side by side. It doesn't make sense to keep two competing devices priced so closely and with such a small feature disparity. If you are trying to decide between the Nothing Phone 2A and Phone 2A Plus, we'd readily go for the Plus model as the small price difference is accounted for with small improvements that span across the board. Either phone represents a very well-rounded package and you will be happy with either one. And sure, you can probably get better value for money in this price bracket, but nothing quite as unique as the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.